Oh my Lord, look at this rule breaker. She's gonna fall off the edge and die. Now we're looking at the sunrise over Wild Goose Island.
A foggy sunrise.
Looks like pretty.
No, it's not.
I'm not used to your emotions yet.
I think you underestimated your hiking speed. She's a lot slower.
Trust me, we'll be past.
Once we get our hiking sticks, we slow down.
Even that, you'll see that these people under 30.
They all run past us.
No, I see these pictures of people hiking.
With the bears right there.
And there's either a bear or a mountain lion on the ledge above them.
We were singing on the Grinnell hike. We just all kept breaking into song. Yeah. And people were like, y'all are such happy hikers. We want to hike with you. And we're like, well, we're trying to scare the bear off. My head is in the clouds. The clouds are enveloping my head right now. Before we go, see what lies it's going to tell us today.
So we have St. Mary's Falls, Virginia Falls, and Bering Falls.
So you are here, so we'll get to Bering Falls first. Well, wait a second.
Yeah.
Oh, Bering Falls is the other way.
Oh.
And it's a mile the other way. And
Do we want to skip that one? And just
my opinion, St. Mary's looks a lot prettier than Virginia. Virginia was supposed to be the big one.
yeah. Well, it may be some snow melt too.
Yeah.
Who knows when that picture was taken?
That's true. Well, overall, Virginia Falls is 2 miles, so we're talking a 4-mile hike, if that's not lying to us.
Be careful, it's pretty
Yeah, I see that. I feel like I should have got my poles because they said that this was
pretty pebbly.
flat.
Well, it is flat, it's just on an incline.
Oh, God.
So the burn here happened, do you know how many years ago?
A couple, I think.
Yeah. And happened because of a lightning strike, right?
That's my understanding. Haven't researched it yet.
By the different bears. If it's a black bear, Basically, you just make yourself big and kind of fight him. If he starts to come at you or whatever, you throw shit at him or whatever, make noise, clap your hands, scream, whatever. If it's a grizzly, you don't do that because that just pisses them off. Well, if it's a grizzly, you make yourself bigger.
And back away.
Well, in both cases, you'll want to get out of their path, but if you can. But with the grizzly, you'll want to keep your tone monotone and talk to them. Let them kind of know that you're not a threat. Don't act agitated or anything. Don't turn around and run from either one of them.
Right.
Otherwise, they're liable to predate you. Black bears, try to scare them away. Grizzly bears, let them have the right of way and get out of their way. Now, if you're attacked by a grizzly, do everything you can to stay on your belly. Flatten out. Use your arms and your toes to keep them from turning you over. And if they do manage to swipe you and turn you over, roll with it. Stay on your belly and stay motionless. And whenever you know the threat's gone, then get up and get out. At least that's what the internet says, and the internet don't lie. And apparently, in the case of a moose attack, or if a moose charges you, I guess they're real dumb animals, so just step behind a tree and they can't see and they forget what they're doing. And they go on. So they're more of an out of sight, out of mind kind of pursuer. Very calming to just sit and watch the waterfall and that really pretty teal blue or light blue that comes from the glacial melt and the what they call it, glacial flower or mountain flower, that the sediment that's in the water that reflects the light. It's really peaceful and calming. Now on to Virginia Falls. That was St. Mary's we just left. And I think we have another little over a mile to go to get to Virginia Falls. Can you?
Well, no, I guess I can't get that front part.
Right here's where you want to be. I'm guessing this is Virginia Falls.
Yes.
'Cause I don't see the trail. I guess the trail goes that way. Yeah, that's pretty impressive.
Holy moly.
We'll go over there on those rocks.
Yeah, we're out in that little gravel area.
places like this are my happy place.